kurigereria karengeri tukurikanyara guchengera rituko ryobochenu wobongo nigona abanyagetari kurwasa nyagetari ya Kisii Teaching and Referral Hospital kete reja ritukuliarira watu aromoje gobo asibanyara gukwana igure chinchira cyo konyara wetanga korwa asoko twaro muchando wobongo karengana bubate buno moje goyi banchakara konyakorro gocyasabo kremere mu be serikali na nemono korwa cha abanyagetari bensemejo nagote yabuna nigo mu rubura cyo konyara gukonya abantu bonse na kubolya abantu wesoke na konyara ago kwanda hali yagendere to kubachanda bose ogosongorera no birengereryo egento kerera abantu bange barokane konyara guita asekerenga bone gotari birengeryo binge egento kerera gotwara umuchando wobongo korengana te abanyagetari kurwasa nyagetari ya Kisii Teaching and Referral Hospital gukwana seri tukolera rigwanyara kuroba simu cyasa abantu bonse ko yaneke bunango sanga bana bamwabo na wesoke chinga kibabwate umuchando
nonde bwensi nabiyeta keirenga kuirigereria ibye kasoko chenu wobongo taringa onde tayo taetere asobo chenu wobongo kere kwanyorire muchando onde bwensi gotakeire wachicha twarigereria tubugata abantu abanene tubugata abanyagitari baita bakurigereria bakwa advice imeta keira accordingly bono rero twaranga tiga tuchakera abanyagitari baito gaiga abanyagitari mbabwate gasi nyinge bakora babwata a lot of burnouts nebinte binge bikogera batwara stress banyora marwaira yanda abanyarwaire babwate abandi kurwana barase chinka abana ngwetera bara marioga mangeri kariyo kogenda wati koriginga tikonywa marugo sonorare chinjera njiroro chingia togo chatuate baninga tikatokore gentu geteri kogenda gwasiki bad habits shikolenda marwaira mange na ende chia kuumisa asumo biro.
Done an activity today at KTRH, Kisii Teaching and Referral Hospital, as CME, to educate the staff in this hospital on how to prioritize the mental wellness at the workplace. We have discussed that all the healthcare workers who work in any facility, either hospital or county hospital or government hospital, many of us are experiencing mental health challenges, many are experiencing depression, many are experiencing anxiety, and even post-traumatic stress problems that come about with being a healthcare worker. We've said the major problems that are bringing about these mental health challenges are burnout and the trauma that we experience from listening to traumatic experiences of patients. And so one of the ways that we've said that we're going to prioritize our mental wellness, or we are going to prevent or take care of burnout, is making sure that we do self-care.
And remember, having mental health is not a disability. It is something like any other disease.